beyond universal competition, and shift to blue ocean. Everest is the largest international textile consistent factory in Taiwan. Using vertically integrated manufacturing process, it provides customers with the best solutions, and its highly value-added, innovation-oriented functional fabrics and eco-innovation textiles solidify Everest as a leader in the textiles industry.
The mission of Everest is to contribute to society and change the world. Our core corporate values are based on goodness and altruism. We contribute to the world with innovation, sustainability, smart and lean power. Achieve triple bottom line in economy, environment, and society.
Everest dares to make investment, constantly transform and upgrade for creating its own second curve. Apart from deep rooting in Taiwan and leading the transformation of the textile industry, it boldly goes across worldwide. In 2016, Everest launched the Moonshot 5 and 5 global deployment strategy, aiming to approach the market in terms of the short supply chain revolution. Within 2 years from the original 3-country factory in Asia, Everest has expanded to North Carolina, USA by adding the vertically integrated yarn texturizing, weaving, dyeing, and garment factories, as well as garment factories in Ethiopia and Haiti.
The more we challenge, the more the company grows. Everest staff will challenge themselves beyond the limit and enhance their competitiveness.
Global thinking, local action. Everest makes green production locally with global thinking. Everest's 6 manufacturing facilities in the world are built as green eco-industrial parks, equipped with smart hardware and software, as well as energy-saving and carbon-reducing equipment. The close connection of Everest's 6 ecological supply chains can provide fast and diverse customized products. The production lines of the 3 newly built factories have all started production. The production capacity has been continuously improved with lean projects. Everest has a strong research team to develop and manufacture ecological, innovative fabrics to meet the high-value customized demand. Utilizing the geo-advantages allows for one-stop orders and services of globally integrated garments and can meet customers' flexible demands and supplying them readily nearby, achieving the highest efficiency of process management and the rapid delivery that makes the international brand customers have more confidence. Everest prospects the future to reach the revenue double growth for the corporate group. With firm training for local employees, we cultivate multi-skilled and highly proficient workers, build a learning organization to improve operational excellence, and plan to form an alliance with local textile institutions to cultivate the future talents in the textile industry. Everest takes people as its foundation, implements the responsibility of taking care of employees, actively integrates local culture, strengthens the team cohesion by caring and communicating, builds a powerful cooperative team with Everest's corporate culture and values, and sustains influence on its employees in each country with goodness and sustainability. Everest, U.S. North Carolina plant has become the largest textile factory in the state. The Ethiopia factory and Haiti factory have greatly increased local employment opportunities and improved living conditions, which are respected by the government.
Everest 5+5 Moonshot project has been successfully implemented. In the next 3 years, Everest revenue target will grow double and triple in 5 years.
With a sustainable green footprint, Everest expands the new blue ocean in global textile industry. Moreover, embraces the heart for integrity, altruism, and gratitude to combine the resources of industry, government officials, academic, and research in the designated country through strategic alliance to establish a symbiotic and synergistic ecosystem among 6 countries. Innovation power. Instead of waiting for change, it is better to take the initiative to create change. The purpose of an enterprise is to create customers with innovation and marketing. And innovation is the symbol of Everest, and also the DNA of Everest people.
Everest takes advantage of disruptive innovation to use more optimized solutions with the humanities, science, leading the market and creating demand.
In terms of lean startup, design thinking, agile development, Everest invests 4% of its turnover in the field of innovation research annually and develops more than 3,000 kinds of products and fabrics based on technological trends, and creates featured and high-value innovative products every year. Everest's vertical integration of manufacturing process and industrial multi-divisional key technology platform not only provides high-value added products in the shortest delivery period, but also brings in more powerful adaptability, such as using garment template for high customization processes to achieve a small volume, wide variety production. We have insights into the green opportunities in environmental protection and outdoor markets, and strive to develop environmentally friendly niche products and establish Everest's leading position in eco-innovative products under the circular economy concept. Moreover, we continue to develop fusion innovation, fashion, and functional fabrics based on bio-based materials to become an indispensable long-term partner with international and outdoor sports brand customers. Smart Power. 0 and 1. The digital power of Reverse the World. Everest will practice Everest 4.0 program to become a company with smart perspectives. Smart Everest is a profound reform of the entire value chain. At this stage, it is imperative for Everest to first develop Industry 3.5 manufacturing technology to be the pioneer to transform and upgrade in the Purple Sea through the combination of disruptive innovation technology and Everest's own strengths and features. The master's experience is digitized to build a digital brain for automating, intelligentizing, de-skilling, and shortening the learning curve. Afterwards, by means of human-machine collaboration, we can build a management system as an Iron Man to make business decision at the percentage of 90% by digital brain and 10% by human brain. Smart Everest is a deep reform of the whole value chain. The application of IoT times ABCE allows Everest's global plant to become a futuristic factory of Industry 4.0. fully automated and on-site implementation of manufacturing execution system, utilization of ICT-based information and communication technology to create a cross-domain digital communication platform, intelligent carrier operation management to monitor big data, grasp of the contingent information through the cloud analysis. Make use of AI, artificial intelligence, and AR, VR, MR, hybrid reality technology, and walk into the plant site to optimize operation and the overall process. Improve the flexibility and feedback speed to achieve on-demand system of intelligent business and logistics.
Artificial intelligence is changing the industrial structure. AI will be the future of learning. And Everest should let artificial intelligence be only present and go beyond the new pattern of the textile industry.
Think big. Start small. Act fast. Everest must become a practitioner of smart manufacturing. Expand the outcome thereof. Broadcast the experience and create shared value with stakeholders. Lean Power. Be the change you want to see in the world. A workplace with perfect human and smart machine collaboration creates a high-value and low-cost operational phenomenon. Meanwhile, with the escalation of smart power, Everest expands the wisdom of Everest people with Lean Power. We continually promote the Lean Power program in headquarters and overseas factories. With the philosophy of Go to Gemba, Everest starts to implement the 31 stock phrases of Toyota as its working guideline and thoroughly put the method of PDCA and F into practice to keep track of progress. The lean consciousness awareness influences the whole manufacturing system from the outside in to achieve the goal of sales revenues maximization and cost minimization. Sustainability power. The ultimate goodness is like water. Living water is sustainable power. Since 2007, Everest has started to carry out the ESM, Everest Sustainability Model, to promote circular economy as the engine of the enterprise. By learning by doing and doing by learning with the 7R principle and covering economic, environmental, and social sunny-side-up egg philosophy, we create a triple bottom line.
Everest attached great importance to the true values of an enterprise. Therefore, we will achieve sustainability, do the right thing, and continue to share and contribute. Everest will create paradigm and exert social influence to allow the company to move the world and inspire everyone to live authentic social assets and values.
Looking back at the green journey of the past 12 years, from the industrialist to the green capitalists, Everest has succeeded in bringing commerce and ecology forward, hand in hand.
Sustainability is not just an opportunity, but the responsibility of Everester.
The global plant area has stopped the use of air conditioning and built an ecological industrial park with the principles of green building. It utilizes a negative pressure water curtain and buoyancy ventilation principle to cool down significantly, creating a comfortable environment for green factories. Invest in energy-saving equipment to reduce energy consumption. provide biodiversity space in accordance with the rules of nature. All products and processes are certified by the Swiss Blue Sign. At the same time, Everest established a waste equals food model and implemented the cradle-to-cradle circular economy to give the waste a second life. Everest Taiwan plant has not been transporting its waste outside for 11 years, and its vision is to achieve zero emissions by 2020. The spirit of less is more has enabled Everest to save around $7 million in 1 year and has won the national and international recognition.
Without cooperation and sharing, there is no living water circular economy. Sharing experience is dedication and giving. Everest increase sustainable influence and allows good to flow through continuous sharing.
Happiness and healthy partners are the permanent assets of Everest. And Everest implements the care and attention of employees, actively participates in charity, social feedback, and brand public welfare to produce positive effects to the society. Combine the fields of industry, government officials, academic research, art, and private organizations to continue to share innovation results. Offer public visits and exchange experiences between domestic and overseas groups and companies. Everest continues to sow green seeds in the hope to inspire all the fields to be encouraged to change the world in a sustainable manner.
Truth is a ultimate state of devotion to things and sincerity with people. You can never move others without being devoted and sincere. Everest gives importance to its own value of life. Therefore, we implement the concept of sustainability in our facility with sincerity. By devotion and sincerity, can we touch the world?
Winning at learning and success at transforming, Everest shall embrace the limits and constantly break through the boundary and confront the challenge, because our mission is to contribute to society and change the world. Therefore, Everest will never stop exploring and dare to moonshot thinking and refresh future. With the courage to continue advancing resolutely, Everest will surely survive the universal competition to shift into new blue ocean.
We share and dedicate ourselves to create shared value with stakeholders and create a sustainable conscious enterprise so that all 6 parties succeed.
Only due diligence can see. Listen to the voices of the world with a humble mind. Be of generous empathy and humanistic care. Go forward from goodness and altruism to help more people in need. Everest will become a globally sustainable leader and global citizen that makes the world a better place.